welcome to the channel. So I know today usually we do videos of door dashing or me running or something like that, but today we're going to be doing an interesting video. Today we're going to be going out on another way on how to make money. If you watched my previous videos, you'll see that there was a lot of videos that I've done where I'm like, hey, I was able to do this because I've been doing research on another way of how to make money. So I did it, and today is that video. So another way of how to make money in Orlando is Amazon. Basically, Amazon has so many packages and deliveries that they cannot hire enough people fast enough to get these packages delivered. So what they do is they self-contract out, and basically they developed this app called the Amazon Flex app. And basically you go on there, you sign up, you got to put your registration of your vehicle, your driver's license, you have to pass a background check, you have to answer a few questions, you have to watch a couple videos, and they train you on how to do all these things through the Amazon program. And then from there, basically what you're doing, guys, is just delivering packages. But guess for how much an hour they're paying you? $17 an hour. So they're paying you $17 an hour to deliver so many packages. And guys, listen, this is easy. I mean, the first time it can get a little bit overwhelming because you're like nervous or something like that. And I'll be honest, I was the same. But this is easy as can be, guys. You get a package, you scan the package, you drop off the package, and that's it. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do, guys. And it's $17 an hour. So today, I have a block that I signed up for to do, and I have to go pick up my packages at the warehouse here in Orlando, and then I have to going through it. The system automatically sets up a route for you, and then you can do all these different things to do the route. So now my block that I signed up for is from 2:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Now I have 4 hours to deliver those packages. That doesn't mean that I have to work those packages. Now, I've been pretty good at this system where now I can probably knock out these packages in 2, maybe 3 hours. And then that ends up being an extra hour for me that I get paid. So it all depends on how fast, and it's a base pay of $17 an hour. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, I'm going to go pick up my packages. It's going to be really hard for me to record once I get to the Amazon facility because they are very strict and things like that. But I'm going to go in there, get my packages, and then I'll talk to you guys in a few. So let's see how fast I can get done with these packages and how many packages I have. So let's make this money, guys. Easy work. Alright, guys, so I've just arrived to the Amazon warehouse here, and now basically this is the way it works. Once you get there, you open up the Amazon Flex app, and you see how I have it right here where it says today I have this block. So then basically you click on this start location. It's going to ask you about this temperature stuff because the corona. Sorry about that. My Yankees, you know. Press yes, okay. You know, you got to read all this stuff. It's just COVID-19 precautions. Then you press got it. And then basically you got to click on start travel, and then basically the GPS will take you to where location you need to go. I already know where the location was, so I didn't have to do that. So I'm going to click on start travel. It says that I'm here, and now I'm going to click on I've parked. Clicked on and I've parked now. Now I can't go in Amazon or anything like that until 15 minutes prior to my shift. So I got to wait 10 minutes right now. So once I check in, I'm able to go inside, and they take my driver's license, they got to scan it, and then they assign me my packages that I have to deliver. So once I do that, I can't take you guys inside, but once I do that, we'll get squared away. So the whole point of this process is that they have rotations in and out of this place, in and out. So they don't want to fill that place in there, because, you know, all the COVID-19 precautions. So they don't want to fill that whole place. So we're gonna get this done, and let's see how fast we can get this done. So once I get my packages, I'll check in with you guys. All right, guys, so I just got my packages. I got some over here, I got some in the back right there, I got some in the trunk. So I have a total of 20 packages I gotta deliver, which isn't horrible. And basically what Amazon likes to do is they have it set up in routes. So basically you have whatever, if you get lucky, you get an area that's close by. If you get lucky, you know, you get an area that's a little bit, you know, right by where you live. But sometimes you get, you know, fucked, and you get a little area that's a little bit farther than usual. So the first time I ever did this, I did it in an area where I grew up in Orlando, so I was able to get there to the areas and all the roads quicker. Second time I did this, I ended up doing this in Winter Garden, Florida, which was far away from where we wanted to end our day. And today we got Winter Park, Florida, which is kind of in the area that I wanted to end at. I needed to end at a little bit closer to the east side of Orlando, so it's not gonna be horrible, but we're gonna end this day in around the area that I needed to be. So now my job is to drive to the location, to the starting point, which is 22 minutes away from the location of where I need to start. And then from there, I can't screenshot or show any like video of me doing the packages because it has people's addresses, and I'm not allowed to show that. But one by one, it sets up a route, and it's just a route of me just picking it up, and they're all in the same area, all in the same location and everything like that. So, you know, I'm not driving back and forth to different locations. It sets it up where I end up in a smooth end location. So it usually starts from the farthest out and ends to the closest in. So, you know, that's the way I got to do it. So I got 20 packages. I got till 6:30 to finish it. I'm gonna try to finish these packages at least by 5 o'clock. I can do this. I can do this. So that's what we're gonna do. I've already sorted my packages also. That's another trick. You're allowed to check in 15 minutes before your shift starts. So I like to get there as soon as 15 minutes. Right there, I grab my stuff and I go, because that way I have 15 minutes to sort my packages in the route that I need to go. And actually, last time I did this with Megan, and when I did it with Megan, we were able to go and do this really quick. And because the packages were sorted, I was able to go, pick up, drop off, pick up, drop off, pick up, drop off, and I was able to get in and out, and we finished at a good time. At that time, we had 38 packages, and we had to return back to the station because we had a package that we were unable to deliver. And that's one of the things that Amazon Flex has you does if you can't deliver a package. So we're gonna drive over to this location and we're gonna deliver these packages and make this money. All right, guys, so I'm getting through the orders.
University Boulevard.
I'm getting through the orders here, and it started raining. So I wanted to take you guys along when I drop off a package, but it's raining, man. So hopefully it rains and I'll drop off a package and I'll show you guys how to do it. But until it rains, I don't want to get the customer's package super wet. So I just want to run, drop it off, and come back in the car. So that's what I'm going to do from now on. Hopefully it stops raining.
Yes.
All right, guys. So
feet,
it stopped
right.
raining, so we're gonna do
Arrive
this
at the
here.
destination on your left.
So look at this. It's gonna say click. I've parked. Here we go. These are the special instructions over here, and we're gonna scan the package. I got it right over here. Scan the package, and then continue with package, and then we're gonna go continue with package. It says leave at the front door, and we're gonna continue with the picture. Now we're just gonna walk over to the package. I know. This rain is killing me. It's slowing me down. I'm trying to get finished. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages left, and I'm trying to be done by 5, but that's not gonna happen now because I got 15 minutes, and the rain is. Everybody's driving so slow where I just can't finish. So hopefully I get to finish in at least in the next 30 minutes, at least by 5:15. Hopefully. So let's see. All right, guys, I finished all the packages. That rain messed me up. It messed me up by 21 minutes. I was on track to finish in, what was it gonna be? By 5, so that would have been 2:30, 3:30, almost 2 hours. I mean, 2 hours and a half. And I finished right now at 5:21, so that leaves me an hour earlier than I supposed to be. So I really worked only 3 hours, so that's more money in my pocket. So I got $72 for the day. So I finished early, and now I get to go home and enjoy the day. So I'm gonna be doing more videos about Amazon Flex. Here's a disclaimer about Amazon Flex. I can't even speak today. There's a lot of people doing Amazon Flex nowadays, and it is pretty difficult to get offers, and that's what they're called when you work. They're called offers, and it's pretty difficult because there's a lot of people doing it. There's a lot of people cheating the system and things like that. And I'll talk about more about cheating the system later on. But yeah, there's a lot of people cheating this system, and it's very difficult to get blocks. Now, at least once a week, Amazon sends me a notification saying, "Hey Al, you want to work?" And they send me something that works in my schedule. It's, at least once a week. So I at least once a week I get a block. But just to repeat myself, guys, it's very difficult, but it's easy work. So go ahead, sign up for Amazon Flex. Don't be alarmed that you are on a waiting list. I spoke to somebody that works on Amazon, and they said that basically just be patient if you get put on the waiting list, because once the holiday comes, Amazon is going to have to hire more people because it's crazy during the holiday. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing, guys. I'm gonna be working my butt off during the holidays to see, how much I can get off these things. But I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for being here and watching me do these videos, because I do it for me, and I want to pass on this information to you guys, so anybody can make money. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Amazon Flex, I'm gonna be doing some more videos on this. So go ahead and follow, subscribe, comment, and if you have extra questions, just hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'm there, guys. So See you later. Keep making money.